Hey everyone, today we're creating a pricing table in Webflow. Showcase your product or service tiers. Let's get into it. Start by adding a section to your page. Inside the section, place a container. Add a div block and set it to flex layout with horizontal alignment to hold your pricing columns. Inside the div block, add div blocks for each pricing tier: Basic, Pro, Premium, etc. In each pricing column, add elements like headings for the plan name, text blocks for the price, list items for features, and a button for the call to action. Style each column using the Style panel. Adjust background colors, orders, and spacing to differentiate the plans. Make sure your pricing table is responsive by checking it in tablet and mobile views. Preview your page to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, publish your site. And that's how you create a pricing table in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. More resources are linked in the description. I'll see you in the next one.